Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox and you keep getting this error code 9007 message service instances unavailable, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for status.roblox.com. And then if it says all systems operational like this, that means it's an issue on your side. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up another tab. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go ahead and download this software. And once you're done downloading, then you're going to install it. And after it's installed, you're going to open it up. And once you're done opening it up, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this settings icon. You're going to click 1.1.1.1 with warp, click connect, wait for it to connect. And after it's done connecting, you're going to open Roblox on your computer. And now when you try to play the game, you'll see that you will not get that annoying error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.